Ragtime, written by Edward Lawrence, Dr. Rowe. Question is, explain the spirit of sacrifice in the American dream in Ragtime. Answer is, E.L. Dr. Rowe's work has been characterized as fabulist and described as allegorical romance. Full stop. His work laid bare many facts of American society. Full stop. The persistent theme prevalent in all of his novels is the existence of the American dream. He is particularly captivated by upward social mobility. Full stop. Dr. Rose also points out the attendant success of the American dream comes with a price. The overall benefit, equality, or acceptance seems to always overweight the adverse effect that resulted from chasing the enduring dream. Okay, next paragraph. In the in Ragtime, Dr. Rose tells a story of the interaction of three very different families during the covert era of the 1910s. Full stop. Titled after the widespread music of the decade, Ragtime colonizes the clashing social, economic, and political ideas that plagued the beginning of the century. The three seemingly separate families provide a cross section of the diverse American culture predominating this period of history. The first household represents the white Anglo-Saxon Protestant culture, one which supposedly has already received the American dream. The other two families represent ethnic and racial groups who strive to attain the dream throughout the narrative of the novel. Okay, next paragraph. In most of the novel, Dr. Rose seems particularly compelled by the stories of poor immigrant. The prescribed novel is no exception of the fact. Full stop. Here, the novelist follows the story of Tej uh, and his daughter. Tej is forced to give up both his social benefit and original identity in order to attain a better life for his daughter and himself. Full stop. Like other European immigrants, he lived in the tenements. Full stop. He was a socialist. He looked at places and his heart was outraged. Full stop. The socialist views compelled him to join a strike of Lawrence. It was a time when Tate's philosophical belief and original identity was intact, not yet affected by such as all wealth. Full stop. But as his American dream begins to take shapes, both the essential aspect of his life are though ever sacrificed in actions for wealth. Full stop. After some time, Tate and his daughter flee New York City and find themselves in Philadelphia. Full stop. Therefore, Tate discover movie books. Full stop. His career as a movie director started as at Philadelphia. Full stop. It is from the sudden such as that Tate changes from a socialist immigrant into a quite in essence capitalist. He has finally achieved his dream, but at the some time he lost his old identity. Next paragraph. Cole House Walker Jr., the mysterious black pianist, is also after the American dream, although he plays price for his dream. During the 1920s, many black forced an uphill battle to achieve equal status with the whites. List of Walker has already attained material success in his life, but the racial harmony is absent from his life. Full stop. On a Sunday afternoon, he drives by the Emerald Isle fire station where he is stalked by two white efficies. Full stop. They ordered him to leave his car. Full stop. After a fertile attempted complaining to a policeman, Walker returned to the fire station and find his car splattered with mud. The unjust and deplorable act of racism changes Walker. Full stop. He now finds himself at the front of a battle war for civil right. Full stop. Racial equality now becomes his American dream. Full stop. Next paragraph. Economic and financial success are at the core of all the American dream explained by E.L. Doctorow. Full stop. Each protagonist in Doctorow's novel seeks to uh, better their the, comma they are their financial condition, except Coal House. Full stop. Doctors depict money as an all-comprising symbol of power, survival, and status. Full stop. Next paragraph. In ragtime, Walker financial success makes him unaware of the social problem affecting his race. Full stop. Doctors use the phrase cold black lake as a metaphor for capitalism. Full stop. The novelist only puts the doctor of wealth as a negative light and highlights the carelessness that human beings exhibit while attempting to attain the typical American dream of material success. Okay, thank you. Up to here. Okay, I want to say again I want to repeat the question again. It is of the ragtime. Explain the spirit of sacrifice in American dream in ragtime. Written by Edward Lawrence Doctorow. Thank you, dear student.